Hello, District 21 families. I'm Dr. Michael Connolly, Superintendent of District 21, and welcome to April. As our year sprints towards the finish line, we have plenty to celebrate and look forward to in the coming weeks. To start, I want to extend a huge congratulations to our Cooper and London girls volleyball teams. We're incredibly proud to share that the 8th grade team at Cooper and the 7th grade team at London both won their respective mid-suburban middle school athletic conference titles. Furthermore, the 8th graders at Cooper capped their season with a win at the end of the season tournament. What an outstanding accomplishment for our middle school sports programs. Great job, athletes and coaches. We also marked the end of our LMC renovations with a special ribbon cutting ceremony at Holmes. The event celebrated the culmination of a district-wide initiative to transform our library and media centers into vibrant hubs of creativity and exploration. Students, staff, and community members joined us as we unveiled the space's modern design, flexible seating, and technology-enhanced learning areas. These upgrades will inspire collaboration and foster a love of learning for years to come. Looking ahead, we're excited to announce that we'll be hosting a health and wellness fair on Saturday, April 26th at London Middle School. This event is a wonderful opportunity for our students and families and our community members to learn more about healthy lifestyles and connect with local health and wellness organizations. It'll be a great way to have fun while learning how to stay active, eat well, and prioritize wellness. We can't wait to see you there. On that note, please mark your calendars as returning student registration opens on May 1st, less than a month away. We'll communicate more in the weeks to come, but this registration is an important step to ensure a smooth start to our next school year. We're also excited to welcome the next generation of learners. Over the coming weeks, we will host kindergarten preview nights at each of our elementary schools to give incoming students and families a chance to explore classrooms, meet teachers, and get a sense of what to expect in the fall. We'll communicate more in the coming weeks as well. We're looking forward to celebrating Staff Appreciation Week from May 5th through the 9th. If you're looking to share your gratitude for a particular staff member, please fill out a quick form that will be attached to our newsletter. Each message of appreciation will be turned into a personalized certificate for that special educator. As we enter the final stretch of the school year, we encourage you all to stay active, stay engaged, and make the most of the many activities, clubs, and sports happening around the district. Let's make the most of this final stretch of the school year together, and thank you for your ongoing support of District 21. Have a wonderful April.